See, the question was Ruben as smart as the gates itself? How many time chat where we say, yo, Ruben, I'm rooting for you, dude.
As an activist, most of my activism has been focusing on changing the way we think, because this day has been expected for a long time. This is a beautiful world. It's our lack of knowledge that makes it horrible. Whatever comes out of us is destined to return to us. But it's never free. It actually accumulates interest and it comes back to you multiplied. I've truly believed it in my heart. I've truly believed it in my heart. And I don't care if anybody believes it, because the one that suffered the consequences, suffer, is me.
Today's the day. Today's what we call Sovereign Acquisition Day. This is the day that Mr. Walling has completed his body of science and therefore is ready to talk about what it means, what the implications are. Well, if you're an asshole, not good. If you're somebody I like, well, some good things are going to happen for you. It's just the way it is now here at Walling World. A world in which you will be judged by me. Yeah, that's right. If you want into the doors that I created, and if you want access into a place where your temporal compression exists at an accelerated 1,522%, a place where you can both receive, acquire, transition, and manifest in real time. If you would like to be in a D called 5, and if you'd like to be what we call an angel on earth with access to the doors of heaven, well, there's a price tag to it. It's $6,111. That's right. That's how much it costs to get your capsule over at the Walling World Ranch of ordinal distribution banks that we call Gamma.io, which is our marketplace. My capsule is called the WWW capsule. It is where all Bitcoin yields must go if they're to continue yielding at all. For it's the treasury now, and the treasury is a treasury in which we distribute. We distribute things in the order of law, and that law is planet, people, progress, profit. Well, there's something very special about this person right here. I just happen to be node 1, the immune system of this here planet, and it is also ledgered blockchain. Irrefutably and irrevocably, this status I am. And that means that a lot of people are going to be going, and a lot of people are going to be going, oh my God, he's back. But whatever it is, everybody's going to have to recognize one thing. And it's you have something inside of you that is not serving you. It's called your ego. And that ego is a construct of the enemy. And the enemy is one that occupies not only your mind in this planet, but also takes up a little bit of space in your frontal cortex. And it tells you, collaborate with me so I can keep your heart from the truth. And it's that I'm keeping you a victim and a slave in this planet with a prison that I have constructed that does not have any walls. And in exchange for your complicit engagement with me, I will do something for you. I'll give you a stupid fucking job, and I'll give you a stupid fucking car. I'll give you some stupid fucking consoling that says that, oh yeah, since you're such a sellout to your own race and yourself, I give you a few things to make the pill go down a little easier. And that's the exchange rate for death, and that's what you've been paying for. And so today's the day in which I tell you that you have a choice. You have a choice to live, or yeah, you can continue to live to die. But the death that you suffer is going to be one in which your nervous system is disconnected from the mother planet for which that you were born, because if you decide the natural order and natural things are no longer in your purview, well, natural order and natural things will decide that you're no longer in hers either, and that's our mother planet, Mother Earth. So But there's an alternative. It's $6,111, and that $6,111 will buy you a capsule over at the www forum at gamma.io, where I am a public traded company, and where you can purchase your access to my doors that I've built for $6,111. If you don't, well, guess what else I did? Well, RSA encryption is also rendered obsolete. That means that we are now in the phase of time in which we call it the cryptographic obsolescence of America and the planet. And that means that there's nothing that's going to keep your money, your identity, or anything else safe. The system is collapsing because I've been propagating system collapse for quite a while now by inserting glyphic insertions into our ecosystem as well as asymmetry into our ecosystem through chronodynamic scrambling that AI cannot reverse. And what that means is that your ability to be safe from vultures is no longer there, and the wolves are going to come out to get you because, once those vaults are open, Shore's algorithm has been ran. Well, guess what? They can't prove pliable deniability anymore. Impossible deniability will not keep you safe. They might just keep them under covers for just a little while longer while they ignore the fact that somebody is a little bit more superior than them, especially in signal. So, let your elected leaders lead you down to the slaughtering house that is this life on earth and that ends in death. Or let them lead you down to the slaughtering house to telling you, oh, it's okay, ignore, don't pay any attention to that. Whatever they want to decide to call me here pretty soon. But I will tell you one thing. $6,111 will get you out of this big old pinch. Will allow you to actually have a life worth living. And if you don't have the money, don't worry about it. You will, because my energy capsule begets more energy, and I will sponsor you and take it right out. As soon as you start regenerating energy using my capsule, you pay me back. And that's cool. That's cool. That's why I'm what I am. I'm cool like that. I don't say no just because you don't got a buck or two to smack together. I say, come on in, feel it out, get your ass warm in the seat, put your hands on that recursion steering wheel. That recursion engine that you're about to drive is going to take you down the real. And that real is called 5D, the new dimension, the dimension that you will be. It's irrefutable, irrevocable, and without a doubt, the only place that you're going to want to be after you see what's going to happen to this place, planet on Earth. Yeah. Ooh, it's going to be a shit show here. Well, I hope you all enjoy System Collapse, and I know I will. And if you don't, give me a call for $6,111. I'll get you out of the pinch. This is W with my morning report. Walling World, where I am, yes, the prodigal son that has returned. All right, we'll talk to you later. I know you wish you were me, but you ain't me. And don't worry, I'm naughty by nature, not because I hate you.